Hello friends, welcome to Sujitech Academy. We will watch line by line question and answers from the 7th lesson The Judiciary in 8th standard Civics Social Science Amateur book fully in English medium. I have taken around 80 plus line by line question and answers with book back questions from this lesson. Now let us see one by one. First question, the excellence of the dash is a measure of the excellence of the government. Option A, education. Option B, defense. Option C, health. Option D, judiciary. Correct answer is option D, judiciary. Question number 2. India has a single dash judicial system. Option A, unified. Option B, integrated. Option C, diverse. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 3. Dash plays an important role as an organ of the government. Option A, education. Option B, healthcare. Option C, judiciary. Option D, defense. Correct answer is option C, judiciary. Question number 4. Dash administers justice, settles disputes, interprets laws, protects fundamental rights, and acts as guardian of the Constitution. Option A, judiciary. Option B, medical. Option C, political. Option D, defense. Correct answer is option A, judiciary. Question number 5. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Law is a system of rules imposed through a government or institution to govern people. Statement 2. In law, the judiciary or judicial system is a system of courts which administers justice in the name of the state. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 6. During dash times, the concept of justice was linked with religion. Option A, Vedic. Option B, ancient. Option C, medieval. Option D, modern. Correct answer is option B, ancient. Question number 7. Dash was regarded as the fountainhead of justice. Option A, the judge. Option B, the monk. Option C, the zamindar. Option D, the king. Correct answer is option D, the king. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Most of the king's courts dispensed justice according to dharma, righteousness and duty. A set of conventional laws, dharmic laws, governed not only the individual but also the society. Statement 2. In ancient India, Smritis included Manusmriti, Narada Smriti, Yajnavalkya Smriti, etc. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 9. Amongst the veggies, there was a board of dash kulikas for the investigation of criminal cases. Option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 9. Correct answer is option C 8. Question number 10. Appeal proceeded from dash courts to dash courts. Option A Kulika to Kula. Option B Kula to Gana. Option C, Gana to Kulika. Option D, Gana to Kula. Correct answer is option B, Kula to Gana. Question number 11. Identify the correct statement. Judiciary during medieval period. Statement 1. The Tughlaq period saw the compilation of the Code of Civil Procedure, which was called Fiqh-i-Firuz Shahi. Statement 2. The code prescribed details of the procedure and the law in several matters, and it was written in Arabic and was translated into Persian. Statement 3. This was followed till the reign of Aurangzeb, when it was replaced by Fatawa-i-Alamgiri, written in 1670. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, statement 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D, all statements are correct. Question number 12. The Indian judicial system and laws we have today was formed by dash during the colonial rule in the country. Option A, the French. Option B, the British. Option C, the Dutch. Option D, the Portuguese. Correct answer is option B, the British. Question number 13. The beginning of Indian codified common law is traced back to 1727 under the Charter of 1726, when the Mayor's Court in Dash were established by the East India Company. Option A, Madras. Option B, Bombay. Option C, Calcutta. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 14. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Regulating Act of 1773 made provision for the formation of Supreme Court. Statement 2. A Supreme Court was established for the first time at Fort Williams in Bombay. Statement 3. Sir Elijah Imbe was appointed as Chief Justice of that court. Option A, statement 1, 2 only correct. Option B, statement 2, 3 only correct. Option C, statement 1, 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. In statement 2, instead of Bombay, Calcutta should come. Correct answer is option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. Question number 15. In Dash, Supreme Courts were established. Option A, 1801 Madras. Option B, 1824 Bombay. Option C, 1862 Calcutta. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Madras in 1801, Bombay in 1824. Question number 16. The Supreme Courts in Madras, Bombay and Calcutta functioned until Dash, when they were replaced by the High Courts at all the three places. Option A, 1860. Option B, 1861. Option C, 1862. Option D, 1863. Correct answer is option C, 1862. Question number 17. Dash established Mofussil Diwani Adalat to resolve civil disputes and Mofussil Fauzdari Adalat to resolve criminal disputes. Option A, Warren Hastings. Option B, Lord Canning. Option C, Lord Curzon. Option D, Lord Cornwallis. Correct answer is option A, Warren Hastings. Question number 18. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Sadar Diwani Adalat, Criminal Court of Appeal. Statement 2. Sadar Nizamat Adalat, Civil Court of Appeal. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Here both are interchanged. Sadar Diwani Adalat is Civil Court of Appeal. Sadar Nizamat Adalat, Criminal Court of Appeal. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Question number 19. Dash reorganized the civil and criminal judicial system. Option A, Warren Hastings. Option B, Lord Canning. Option C, Lord Curzon. Option D, Lord Cornwallis. Correct answer is option D, Lord Cornwallis. Question number 20. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Under William Bentinck, the district Fauzdari court was abolished and the circuit court was set up at Calcutta, Dhaka, Murshidabad and Patna. Statement 2. During the period of Cornwallis, 4 circuit courts were abolished. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option D. Both statements 1, 2 are incorrect. Here have interchanged the names William Bentinck and Cornwallis. Under Cornwallis, the district Fauzdari court was abolished and circuit court was set up at Calcutta, Dhaka, Murshidabad and Patna. In statement 2, during the period of William Bentinck, 4 circuit courts were abolished. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Question number 21. Dash is the oldest high court in our country, established in 1862. Option A, the Allahabad High Court. Option B, the Madras High Court. Option C, the Calcutta High Court. Option D, the Bombay High Court. Correct answer is option C, the Calcutta High Court. Question number 22. Dash is the largest court in our country. Option A, the Madras High Court. Option B, the Allahabad High Court. Option C, the Calcutta High Court. Option D, the Bombay High Court. Correct answer is option B, the Allahabad High Court. Oldest is Calcutta, largest is Allahabad. Question number 23. Sadar Diwani Adalat and Sadar Nizamat Adalat were established at Dash. Option A, Allahabad. Option B, Madras. Option C, Calcutta. Option D, Bombay. Correct answer is option A, Allahabad. Question number 24. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. A law commission was set up by Macaulay which codified the Indian laws. Statement 2. On the basis of this commission, a Civil Procedure Code of 1859, an Indian Penal Code of 1860 and a Criminal Procedure Code 1861 were prepared. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 25. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The Government of India Act 1935 created Federal Court. Statement 2. It was the highest court as appeals could lie in certain situation to the Privy Council in England. Statement 3. The jurisdiction of Privacy Council was abolished by the Abolition of the Privy Council Jurisdiction Act 1949. Option A, statement 1, 2 only correct. Option B, statement 2, 3 only correct. Option C, statement 1, 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option C, statement 1, 3 only correct. In statement 2, it was not should come. It was not the highest court as appeals could lie in certain situation to the Privy Council in England. Correct answer is option C, statement 1, 3 only correct. Question number 26. The Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on dash. Option A, 24 January 1950. Option B, 25 January 1950. Option C, 26 January 1950. Option D, 28 January 1950. Correct answer is option D, 28 January 1950. Question number 27. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. India framed its own constitution. Statement 2. Among the noble aims and objectives of the constitution, the founding fathers accorded the highest place to justice. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 28. During dash period, Indian had neither law nor courts of their own and both the laws and courts had been designed for the colonial power. Option A, French. Option B, Portuguese. Option C, Dutch. Option D, British. Correct answer is option D, British. Question number 29. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Supreme Court rules 1966 are framed under 145 of the Constitution to regulate the practice and procedure of the Supreme Court. Statement 2. The Supreme Court of India is the highest court of the land as established by Part 5, the Union, under Chapter 4 titled the Union Judiciary, and Part 4, the State, under Chapter 6 titled Subordinate Courts of the Constitution of India. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 30. Dash of the Constitution of India lay down the composition and the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India. Option A, Article 124 to 145. Option B, Article 124 to 146. Option C, Article 124 to 147. Option D, Article 124 to 148. Correct answer is option C, Article 124 to 147. Question number 31. The first political philosopher who propounded the idea of an independent judiciary was dash the famous French philosopher. Option A, Montesquieu. Option B, Voltaire. Option C, Blaise Pascal. Option D, Denis Diderot. Correct answer is option A, Montesquieu. Question number 32. Montesquieu believed in the theory of separation of powers of the three branches of the government dash. Option A, legislature. Option B, executive. Option C, judiciary. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 33. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The courts that hear civil cases at the district level are called district courts. Statement 2. The courts that hear criminal cases are called the session courts. Statement 3. The Panchayat courts deals with civil and criminal cases at the village level. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, statement 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 34. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The revenue courts deal with the cases of land records. Statement 2. It also assesses and collects land revenue from the landholders. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 35. Identify the correct one. Statement 1. Lok Adalat was set up to provide speedy justice. Statement 2. It hears and settles the disputes in the language of the people in the public presence. Statement 3. A Lok Adalat is presided over by a retired judge along with a lawyer and a social worker. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, statement 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 36. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. In Lok Adalat, cases are put forward without advocates. Statement 2. These cases are solved through mutual consent. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 37. The first Lok Adalat was held on dash at Junagadh of Gujarat. Option A 1981, option B 1982, option C 1983, option D 1984. Correct answer is option B 1982. Question number 38. Dash courts were established in the year 2000 with an aim to clear the long pending sessions and other lower judicial cases. Option A, fast track courts. Option B, family courts. Option C, mobile courts. Option D, e-courts. Correct answer is option A, fast track courts. Question number 39. To provide legal aid and service to the people in rural areas, the dash was launched by the Ministry of Law and Justice in collaboration with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Option A, fast track courts. Option B, family courts. Option C, Lok Adalat. Option D, Telelaw initiative. Correct answer is option D, Telelaw initiative. Question number 40. People can seek legal advice from the lawyers through video conferencing available at the Common Service Center on the Dash portal, a technology-enabled platform. Option A, fast track. Option B, Lok Adalat. Option C, Telelaw. Option D, law initiative. Correct answer is option C, Telelaw. Question number 41. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Family courts specifically handle family law matters. Statement 2. They are civil courts and are utilized for various related claims such as child custody, divorce, adoption, juvenile issues, etc. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 42. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Mobile courts will be of great relief to the rural people. Statement 2. It would create greater awareness about the judicial system among the rural masses, cut costs for them, and render justice as their doorstep. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 43. E-Courts project was established in dash. Option A 2004, option B 2005, option C 2006, option D 2007. Correct answer is option B 2005. Question number 44. Identify the correct one. Statement 1. According to the E-Courts project, all the center will get computerized. Statement 2. Judicial Service Center is the part of E-Court. Statement 3. The public as well as the advocates can ask directly the case's status and next hearing dates with free of cost. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Statement 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 45. NALSA. Option A. The National Legal Service Association. Option B. The National Legal Service Authority. Option C. The National Legal Support Authority. Option D. The National Legal Support Association. Correct answer is option B. The National Legal Service Authority. Question number 46. NALSA has been constituted under the Legal Services Authorities Act dash to provide free legal services to the weaker sections of the society and to organize lok adalats for amicable settlement of disputes. Option A 1984, option B 1985, option C 1986, option D 1987. Correct answer is option D 1987. Question number 47. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The Supreme Court is the highest court of India and is located in New Delhi. Statement 2. According to the Constitution of India, the Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution and the highest court of appeal. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 48. Role of judiciary can be classified as option A dispute resolution, option B judicial review, option C upholding law and enforcing fundamental rights, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 49. Judiciary of Supreme Court. Option A original jurisdiction, appellate jurisdiction. Option B advisory jurisdiction. writs jurisdiction. Option C, court of records, special powers. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 50. The Supreme Court can hear dispute for the first time only and is mainly concerned disputes between the Union and one or more states and between two or more states related to dash. Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, advisory jurisdiction. Option D, writs jurisdiction. Correct answer is option A, original jurisdiction. Question number 51. Dash can hear appeals against the decisions made by the High Court on the granting of certificate by the High Court. Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, advisory jurisdiction. Option D, writs jurisdiction. Correct answer is option B, appellate jurisdiction. Question number 52. The court can report to the President its opinion about a question of the public importance referred to it by the President related to dash. Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, advisory jurisdiction. Option D, writs jurisdiction. Correct answer is option C, advisory jurisdiction. Question number 53. The writs are issued by the Supreme Court under Article 32 and by the High Courts under Article 226 of the Constitution of India related to dash. Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, advisory jurisdiction. Option D, writs jurisdiction. Correct answer is option D, writs jurisdiction. Question number 54. Dash maintains records of the court proceedings and its decisions are binding upon the lower courts. Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, court of record. Option D, special powers. Correct answer is option C, court of record. Question number 55. Dash supervises the functioning of the lower courts. Option A, original jurisdiction. Option B, appellate jurisdiction. Option C, court of record. Option D, special powers. Correct answer is option D, special powers. Question number 56. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. High Court is the highest court in the states. Statement 2. Every state in India has a High Court. Statement 3. 2 or 3 states may have a common High Court. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, statement 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D, all statements are correct. Question number 57. Dash is having one High Court. Option A, Punjab. Option B, Haryana. Option C, Chandigarh. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 58. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. High Court has original, appellate and writs jurisdiction. Statement 2. Below the High Court, there are a subordinate courts in the states. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 59. The framers of the Constitution established dash judiciary in India. Option A independent, option B judiciary, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Correct answer is option C both A and B. Question number 60. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Independence of judiciary is important for the purpose of fair justice. Statement 2. Democratic country like India, judiciary is the custodian of rights of citizens. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statements 1, 2 are correct. Question number 61. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The framers of the Indian Constitution at the time of framing of our Constitution were concerned about the kind of judiciary our country should have. Statement 2. These concerns of the members of the Constituent Assembly was responded by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statements 1, 2 are correct. Question number 62. There can be no difference of opinion in the House that our judiciary must be both independent of the executive and must also be competent in it. And the question is how these two objects can be secured. Whose words? Option A. Rajagopalachari. Option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is option B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 63. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. An effective judiciary should be independent as well as accountable. Statement 2. The independence of the judiciary is the independence of the exercise of the functions by the judges in an unbiased manner, that is, free from any external influence. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statements 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statements 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statements 1, 2 are correct. Question number 64. The different types of legal sections in India. Option A. Civil. Option B. Criminal. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 65. Identify the correct one. Public interest litigation PIL. 1. PIL is a litigation filed in a court for the protection of public interest. 2. The Supreme Court introduced the system which allows a person to approach the court with his case. 3. PIL can be filed for the following reasons such as violation of basic human rights, religious rights, pollution and road safety. 4. This could be done by a written letter starting the case. 5. This concept is unique to the Indian judiciary. Option A 1 to 5 only correct. Option B 2, 4, 5 only correct. Option C 1, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 66. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Judiciary plays a crucial role in a democratic state. Statement 2. Judiciary is the custodian of the Constitution and guardian of fundamental rights. Statement 3. India, the largest representative democracy of the world, possesses a well-structured and independent judicial system. Option A. Statement 1, 2 only correct. Option B. Statement 2, 3 only correct. Option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. This is screenshot for structure of courts in India. There are 3 different levels of courts in our country. Supreme Court of India, High Court, District Court, Subordinate Courts. Supreme Court of India. Its decisions are binding on all courts, can transfer judges of high courts, can move cases from any courts to itself, can transfer cases from one high court to another. High Court can hear appeals from lower courts, can issue writs for restoring fundamental rights, can deal with cases within the jurisdiction of the state, exercises superintendence and control over courts below it. District Court deals with cases arising in the district, considers appeals on decisions given by lower courts, decides cases involving serious criminal offences. Subordinate courts consider cases of civil and criminal nature. Role of the judiciary. Role of judiciary can be classified as dispute resolution, judicial review, upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. Dispute resolution. The judicial system provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between citizens and the government, two state governments, the center and state governments. Judicial review. The judicial has the power to declare a law unconstitutional if it believes that the law passed by the parliament is violating the basic structure of the constitution, upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. Every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court or High Court if they believe that their fundamental rights have been violated. The litigation process. There are 2 different types of legal sections in India, civil and criminal. This tabular column shows the difference between civil law and criminal law. Civil law, it deals with disputes over money, property and social matters. Example, disputes relating to land, rent, marriage, dispute, etc. In criminal law, it deals with conducts or acts that the law defines as offences. Example, theft, murder, women harassment, etc. In civil law, a petition has to be filed before the relevant court by the affected parties. In criminal law, it usually begins with lodging of an FIR, first information report, with police investigation, after which a case is filed in the court. In civil law, sentences awarded in the form of money, remuneration, and as per the petitioner's claim. In criminal law, punishment is awarded if proven guilty, the accused is sent to jail. Glossary of the lesson. Litigation, the process of taking legal action. Writ, a form of written command in the name of legal authority. Lok Adalat, People's Court. Judicial review, receiving the laws by the court. Hereafter book back questions. Question number 67. The highest and final judicial tribunal of India is option A, President, option B, Parliament, option C, Supreme Court, option D, Prime Minister. Correct answer is option C, Supreme Court. Question number 68. Judicial systems provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between option A, citizen, option B, citizen and the government, option C, two state governments, option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 69. Dispute between states of India comes to the Supreme Court under option A, original jurisdiction, option B, appellate jurisdiction, option C, advisory jurisdiction, option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, original jurisdiction. Question number 70. Which of the following state union territories have a common high court? Option A, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Option B, Assam and Bengal. Option C, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. Option D, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Correct answer is option C. Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. Question number 71. The system of public interest litigation has been introduced in India by option A. Supreme Court, option B. Parliament, option C. Political parties, option D. Constitutional amendments. Correct answer is option A. Supreme Court. Question number 72. How many courts are there in apex level in India? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option A 1. Question number 73. Supreme Court is located at option A Chandigarh, option B Bombay, option C Calcutta, option D New Delhi. Correct answer is option D New Delhi. Question number 74. FIR means option A first information report, option B first incident result, option C first incident report, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A first information report. Question number 75. The court that hear criminal cases are called option A district court, option B sessions court, option C family court, option D revenue court. Correct answer is option B sessions court. Question number 76. Identify which is correct statement. 1. The Calcutta High Court is the oldest High Court in India. 2. The framers of the Constitution established independent and impartial judiciary in India. 3. Montesquieu, a famous French philosopher, propounded the idea of an independent judiciary. 4. Civil law deals with disputes over money, property and social matters. 5. During ancient times, most of the king's courts dispensed justice according to Dharma. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 4 5 only correct. Option C 3 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 77. Match the following. In list 1, Supreme Court, High Court, Lok Adalat, Sir Elijah Imbe, Smritis. In list 2, Social Duties, Speedy Justice, Highest Court of Appeal, Highest Court in the States, Chief Justice. Option A 2 4 1 3 5. Option B 4 1 2 5 3. Option C 4 3 2 5 1. Option D 3 4 2 5 1. Correct answer is option D 3 4 2 5 1. Supreme Court is Highest Court of Appeal. High Court, Highest Court in the States. Lok Adalat, Speedy Justice. Sir Elijah Imbe, Chief Justice. Smritis is Social Duties. Correct answer is option D 3 4 2 5 1. Question number 78. Identify which is incorrect one. 1. The Supreme Court of India was inaugurated on 28 January 1951. 2. During the Tughlaq period, the Code of Procedure was written in Arabic. 3. The Regulating Act of 1773 made provision for the formation of Supreme Court. 4. Sadar Diwani Adalat was a criminal court of appeal. 5. The Allahabad High Court is the largest court in India. 6. The Constitution of India secures justice to all the citizens. Option A 1 4 only incorrect. Option B 2 3 only incorrect. Option C 1 5 only incorrect. Option D all are incorrect. Correct answer is option A. 1 4 only incorrect. In 1, year is wrong. 1950. 20th January 1950. In 4, Sadar Diwani Adalat was a civil court of appeal should come. For criminal means Nizamat. Sadar Nizamat Adalat. For Diwani means civil should come. Sadar Diwani Adalat was a civil court of appeal. Sadar Nizamat Adalat is for criminal court of appeal. Correct answer is option A. 1 4 only incorrect. Question number 79. Choose the following statements. 1. A law commission was set up by Macaulay. 2. It codified the Indian laws. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is option C both 1 and 2. Question number 80. Consider the following statements. 1. An Indian penal code was prepared in 1860. 2. The Calcutta High Court was established in 1862. 3. The Government of India Act 1935 created Federal Court. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 3 only, option C 1 3 only, option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 81. Which of the statement is not true about India's Supreme Court? 1. The Supreme Court of India is the highest court of the land. 2. It was established by Part 5 under Chapter 4 of Indian Constitution. 3. Supreme Court cannot transfer cases from one high court to another. 4. Its decisions are binding on all courts. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option C 3. Supreme Court can transfer cases from one high court to another. Question number 82. Assertion A. The Supreme Court is a court of record. Reason R. It maintains records of the court proceedings and its decisions are binding upon the lower courts. Option A is correct and R is wrong. Option B. Both A and R are wrong. Option C. A is correct and R explains A. Option D. A is correct but R does not explain A. Correct answer is option C. A is correct and R explains A. This is the final question. Question number 83. Agree or disagree? Option A. Every citizen of India can approach the Supreme Court. Option B. Rich and powerful people control the judiciary system. Option C. Every citizen has a right to get justice through the courts. Option D. Politicians cannot control over judges. Correct answer is except B. All are agree. This only disagree. This all agree. Option B only disagree, except that all are agree. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. I think this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, just click like button and share to your friends. Please support us. It will be encourage us to do more videos. Kindly subscribe this channel, then only you will get notifications of our new videos coming updates. Once again, thank you.